The Lake Effect Pool's Meadows Oval Pool uses heavy-gauge steel walls with protective resin coatings inside and out, giving it impressive durability against rust and weather. Its generous 15-foot by 24-foot oval footprint and 52-inch wall height provide ample swimming space for families and casual lap swimmers. The included vinyl liner features a refined pattern and careful cutting that help it sit smoothly in the pool without excessive wrinkles when properly warmed and installed. Interlocking stabilizer rails and coping strips secure the liner firmly to the wall, creating a stable structure that feels solid under use and resists shifting over time. This pool is engineered to stay up through every season, so once it is assembled correctly, you can leave it in place year-round with normal maintenance. With its made in North America construction, matching components, and included wide-mouth skimmer, the kit arrives as a cohesive package that simplifies setup for a long-term backyard pool.